Microsoft Access 2010 Data Types. A field in a table is set to accept a specific data type. Every field has a data type. A field's data type indicates the kind of data that the field stores, such as large amounts of text or number. The user must enter the type of data that the field is set to accept, otherwise an error message will appear. You can create a new field in Access by entering data in a new column in Datasheet view. When you enter data in Datasheet view, Access automatically assigns a data type for the field based on the value that you entered. If no other data type is implied, Access sets the data type to text. If needed, you can change the data type by moving to the Add and Delete group in the Fields tab. Data types found there include text, number, currency, date and time, yes or no. If you need more data types, you can click on the More Fields drop-down where you will find a variety of data types. The data type displays in the Formatting group. If you need to see more data types, you can switch to Design View for more options. And in the Data Type side, you can click on the drop-down for more options.